paytahtım Edin Aşgabat. Yaş neslimiz şun yürekten sağ olsun aydiyar, arka dağın sayesinde ösyer Aşgabat.
White marble, amazing city, lovely Ashgabat is known everywhere in this world, my capital. Sparkling fires, lights so pretty, shining in the night. Your song is sounding brightly, always in my soul. We are thankful to you for your care of us. Prosper more, my native land, dear Ashgabat. City of happiness and eternal love, Ashgabat. We are thankful to you and our peaceful heart. The only Orient to grow in Asia, Ashgabat. We all work for your growth, our Ashgabat.
Белоснежная столица, город Ашгабад. День за днем цветет и